I don't know about you, but I'm stressed. I guess it's time to find out if this is rusty or not. What up world, it's BK here, and today we're inside ZZ, our Z31. Last time I told you it was a good thing we were stripping this thing down, and I'll show you why. There's a few rust spots hidden that would have been hidden if we never removed the carpet. So like here, and then down here. It's pretty bad. So let's keep out the wiring today. And then we will check to see if there's any rust inside the gas tank. This line here this line here is connected to the door switch, so it knows if the door is closed or not. I thought that was cool. Something like this I'm not sure what to do with. It seems like it would be like I might want to reuse it in the future. I might not. I might make my own or something, but it's designed, like, it seems like taking it apart, there's more likelihood that I'll break it. Like, these plastic clips here are curled over this metal piece, so I could probably pry this off and then be able to fit just that through there. So I've decided that we're gonna cut the wires. That's right, you heard me. Subscribe or these wires get cut. I'm just kidding. I'm cutting them either way. This wire, yeah, you know the wire. It's going to here. Fuel. And you want to see something super funny? How bad do you think it's gonna be? For sure, some more monies. I guess the place we want to get to is actually under here. Yeah, I don't know. This I don't think is supposed to come off. There's like a filler with like nozzles, and I think it's under the plate. Looks like we're either gonna need to drop the tank or unadhere this. I guess find out next time on The Legend of ZZ. Hey, thanks for hanging out with ZZ and I. I've been doing some research on the best methods to remove the sound deadening, and it seems to be that there's kind of two options. You can either heat gun and tar removal, or you can alcohol and dry ice. I'm going to be testing both methods, so stay tuned for that. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.